Hey guys, it is Squishy Life and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the ABC Squishy Tag 2.0. So basically, in this tag, you pick a bunch of squishies for each letter of the alphabet and you show them and you pick a joke about them. So basically, I'm going to be skipping some of the letters because I just don't have that many squishies for them and I don't have like good jokes for those letters. So I'm just going to skip them. And I am in the bathroom because the lighting is so much better in here than anywhere else in the house. So yeah, I have my bag of squishies right here. So I'm just going to be picking out random ones and saying the letters. So actually, let's start with A. A is for a reedy apple. And I'm actually gonna insert videos of me saying the jokes because I do not have my phone right now, so I cannot do or search any jokes for you guys. So I'll put a video of the jokes after I do the squishy. So for B, I picked banana. For C, we have cat. For D, we have donut. For E, we have elephant. That scared me so bad. For D, for E, we have elephant. H, we have Hello Kitty, and this is one of my homemade squishies. It's a Hello Kitty bread. But the bow is like super slow rising. For I have ice cream. For K, we have kawaii kiwi poop. And this smells so good. For M, we have Meaty Bone. This is by Cutie Creative. And here it is. You can take out the bone. So. Oh my gosh, guys, I didn't even notice, but this packaging ripped. And finally, for O, we have octopus. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video, and click that big red subscribe button because we're having a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers, so why wouldn't you want to be subscribed to enter the giveaway? And yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for a new video soon, or probably tomorrow, because me and my friend filmed a video, and hopefully we'll be able to post it tomorrow. So yeah, bye guys.